Kyle?
Yeah, really getting into the thick of it with these coastal winds, especially Brevard, southern Volusia County. These are the areas to watch going through this morning. So you're looking at the chance of tropical storm force winds here. This is a product derived from that National Hurricane Center forecast. But more importantly, what you are looking at here is for sustained tropical storm force winds, 39 to 73 miles per hour. And where you see these areas in purple, that is bordering on 100%. So we think through most of the morning, through at least 8 a.m. if you live in Brevard County, specifically central and northern Brevard County, really gusty winds out here, then working up the Volusia coast, but also trying to work inland. You will also notice on this graphic there is a very sharp cutoff between potential sustained tropical storm force winds and likely just miserable, blustery, rainy weather that we see through the rest of today. So we'll watch the timing here. Notice how that gradient gets really tight here between, say, a 20 to 30% chance of tropical storm force winds close to I-4 to 70 to 80% once you get into parts of interior Volusia County. Into this afternoon, we're still keeping a really close eye on especially Flagler, parts of the Volusia coast, far northern Brevard County. When you get into these colors where it's, say, 40 to 60%, remember, these are sustained winds, so the gusts are still going to be there at 39 plus off and on, not all day long or all afternoon long, and then inland blustery conditions and some rain. Into late night and early tomorrow, we're really keeping a close eye on far northern Volusia, especially Flagler County, as Dorian starts to work away from us, and then still some winds into Thursday, even though the rain will be gone and the sun will be breaking out. Seminole County talking impacts and timing here, so by late afternoon into early evening today, that rainfall, we can see actually a pretty wide stretch here of some 2 to 3 inch totals here to the east and central Seminole County, but some spotty 1 to 2 inch amounts going west of I-4. Lake County, similar setup. They've seen some decent rain so far this morning, but we think that rain would let up as we go through the rest of today, and then the winds will follow as we hit late afternoon, especially in those northern portions of the county. Southern Lake, they will let up considerably earlier. Sumter County, not as concerned about tropical storm force impacts. Bands of rain moving through right now. Lousy weather for sure, windy, rainy, but not life-threatening, not overly threatening. We've seen a little bit of lightning here and there, but that would really be it. And then up to Marion County, watching far eastern Marion for some of those winds and some of the heavier rain we've seen so far this morning. But even those bands will try to stretch to the west toward Ocala, toward I-75, and even toward the western portions of the county. So just keeping an eye on those county impacts. We're expecting that 5 o'clock update coming in from the National Hurricane Center likely right now, but big improvements here as we head into the overnight. Lots of sun, that heat and humidity returning for the rest of this week. That carries through this weekend, just a slight chance of showers by the beginning of next week. More on that 5 o'clock advisory from the National Hurricane Center. That's coming up on the other side of this break. Stay with us.